Welcome back. In this video, we are gonna learn about Team Library. So, what is Team Library? If you go into like any of your file, and if you go into Asset, you can see the options. You can see this book icon, and if we click on this, this will pop up this menu. So you can see we are currently in Libraries, and the current file is untitled. You can see this is the untitled. Like if you want to use these components in many projects, so you can use them, but currently I'm using the free version, and if I click on this, you can see it is telling me it is only for the professional account. It is not for the free account. So there are many other options like I downloaded this feather icon file from the Figma community, so I can use this. So let's switch on this, and you can see the icons like this, and I can just drag it so I can use these icons in my project. And it is also showing me my created team, that is imaginary programmer. And if I open this, it will just tell me what kind of colors they are used in this imaginary programmer team. So let's go into home, and let's go into community, and in this icon section we have these bezel icons. Click on it, and if you want to use this all the icons, you can just click on this duplicate button, and it is going to duplicate for you, and then you can use this all the icons from this team library. And we have to just toggle this option, and we can just drag it on the project or frame like this, and it will also show you what kind of icons we use in this project. Like we use this announcement speaker and also this warning sign. So this kind of thing you can do with a team library. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.